Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. We're at the airfield today to test a little drone, just a little toy grade drone. Should come in right under $50, called the Little Cricket. And I like that.
CX-17.
Yeah. We'll have a link in the description box below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. Basically, this is a Wi-Fi FPV. This is going to fall over. Camera drone, but it does have a dedicated transmitter, and I do like that. Little transforming guy. And let's take a closer look at it, see what comes in the box. We'll put it in the air and let you know if it's worth your hard-earned money. Here's the drone itself. It looks good. I like the blue and white. We've got a little camera on the front. It's actually kind of a big camera, so I'm hoping for decent camera quality. And on the bottom you can see that's where the battery pops in with our little antenna sticking out the back. We have a little proprietary 400 milliamp single cell LiPo battery. It's kind of interesting, just a little charge port there, and that's where it plugs into the drone. Clicks into place, but then this little lock on the back swings around, so that battery's not going anywhere. Good little setup. Here's the USB charge cable. I had no issues charging that with the other end there. Very tiny little charge end. In here we have 4 spare props, and look, a prop removing tool. Very nice. Here's our transmitter, 2.4 gigahertz, so that's great, and they make sure you remember that. It's the only thing on there. This little phone mounting system goes in here, and it feels pretty good, but it's not going to hold Abby's large phone, at least I don't think, not in the case.
Not securely.
I know why they do this. It's when you're throwing a drone party and they have a lot of people over and you need more space. There. Problem solved. I hope someone gets that reference. Please. Okay, yeah, a couple AAA batteries in the back to fly that, and a quick little favor to you guys. There is the QR code for the app if you have to maybe you lose your instruction manual, and yeah, that's for you. Ready for takeoff. Now there's a funny little thing. I'm going to take a screenshot, Abby, on your phone, because this is kind of important, I think, for everyone to know. The top right little icon, there's a little eyeball. For some reason you have to press that eyeball, poke the eyeball.
To get control with your transmitter?
Yes. So now we can press our takeoff button on the transmitter and we have liftoff.
So it's kind of nice that they separate the two, like flying from the app and flying from the transmitter. I like when they do that.
I do too. Yeah, I'm cool with that. Look how, I like it. For some reason I like this little drone. Simple. Oh, look, it disappeared in front of the building. I'll go above. Simple little guy, quiet. It's little brushed motors, of course, but there are no gears, so that cuts down on a lot of the noise. Flies well, very responsive. Now I think there's a couple funny little things. You can change from mode 1 to mode 2, which is really nice with the press of a button.
Which is switching where your throttle is, and like it kind of reverses what your left and right stick do.
It basically picks one up and puts it down on the other side and does the opposite with the other. Look, there's us. Camera quality for such a little drone is not too shabby. Starting to get some color in the leaves with this cold weather that hit. Now let's see. Got all kinds of things I could do within the app. I want to hit buttons so people can hear the sound.
Well, you have to take it off the eyeball.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Turn off the eyeball.
Okay, well let's fly it with.
Have to fly it from the.
I can do it. I'm setting the transmitter down. Let's do it.
Flying from the phone. Oh gosh. Goodbye,
listen, guys. Listen to the sounds. Pew.
Tell me what video game this sounds like.
And I want to turn up the rates.
Cause I can't figure it out.
Pew pew pew.
Do some more buttons.
I don't know.
I can hear it. Just hit buttons.
I will. I just gotta get it to fly here. Okay.
What video game is that?
That's like an old Nintendo game, isn't it?
I can't figure out what game it is.
Now, I want to turn it on the tilt mode and just fly tilting the phone. Oh yeah, this is great. Look, I'm just tipping the phone and that's how it's flying.
It's way too high. Way too high to film you and the drone. Okay. Increase the rates. That should work better. Yeah, way better.
Very responsive.
What is that, 100% rate?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think you had 3 rates. It was 30, 60, and 100%. So you get like more ability to control the drone. You can do better maneuvers. You can watch Nate dance.
I like this.
Dance.
It's simple. I don't think I mentioned to you guys that it is a Cheerson drone, but it is.
It's Cheerson CX-17.
Yeah, and Cheerson has established themselves to make some pretty good stuff. I like it. Oh, they have a flip button on the app. How often do you see that?
Seems like there's more stuff going on in the app than on the transmitter.
There is, yeah, but if you want a dedicated transmitter, you got it. You know what? I thought at the beginning of this video, like, remember yesterday's drone? It was really nice and just a good little drone. I kept thinking, there's no way this is going to really be able to touch that, you know? How often do you get a couple good ones in a row like that?
Never.
This one's exceptional. I'm really liking this a lot.
Cool.
What's this little weight icon in the middle? I hit it.
Forget.
And maybe that's like calibrate. Oh, that would make sense. That's the calibrate button. So we have our video icon, photo icon. We can view our gallery. We can put this in VR goggles.
It saves it to your phone too. I already checked before we hit. And you do have a little map.
Yeah, that is for waypoints. Now that's the only thing that's misleading about this drone. So the top right corner, what I can do now, instead of using the joystick to fly it, I can draw a little circle on the right side, and it should
I was watching
watch the drone. It's okay. Now it should kind of fly in a little circle. It flew out to the location.
But it's not waypoints.
I just don't like that. I turned it off and I'm flying it back. Yeah, that's just such a cheap little gimmick. It kind of works, but it mostly doesn't. So I don't like when they do that. It's flying back, flying back, flying back, flying back. I like this. Even flying it from your phone is enjoyable, but the dedicated transmitter
that
is
doesn't
nice
happen
too.
often. I don't think we've ever heard you say that about a phone flown drone.
I think having the tilt mode helps too, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn off the tilt mode, hit the eyeball, and now I should have.
It's really cool that you like don't have to land between doing that.
Yep, now I've got controls on my joystick again here.
Yay! Cool. So my phone didn't fit in the transmitter, so that's why it's not there.
Yeah, a little bit annoying with that, but if this had visual positioning, the camera on the bottom, it'd be like the perfect little drone. But even without that, it's a really good drone. Just zip it around and fly some. Zip it, zip it, zip.
This only had 1 battery, right?
1 battery,
It was the last drone we did had 2 batteries.
Had 2 batteries, but this is actually flying a little longer, so.
That's what I thought.
Look at that, a little bit of yellow leaves out there. I don't think we're gonna have a very colorful fall, but I might be wrong.
I don't think we are. Because it's, what's today? October
18th,
8th, something?
Yeah, somewhere around there. Maybe 20th, possibly.
I don't look at the date anymore. I just go by weeks/days till baby.
Which we're getting so close. So crazy close. Oh, you know what I want to do? Oh no, I lost my battery. I was gonna fly between those pylons.
It was like nothing. You do nothing.
Little cricket drone. I like this a lot. It even has a little icon of a little emblem of a cricket on the top. With Christmas coming up right around the corner, you know, if this isn't even something you would get for yourself, I would highly recommend this as an easy to fly drone for a little kiddo in the family, or just any family member. You know, maybe your 30-year-old brother, 30 years old, would like to have something like this. This is a great gift idea, and why not get some early shopping done now? It feels well made because it is well made. The plastic doesn't feel cheap. It even has nice little foam feet on the bottom. It's small enough you could fly it inside, so as winter months come rolling around, just know that when you get stuck inside because of the cold, the snow, and the wind, you can fly this inside. It's got these already pre-installed prop guards on, which is really nice. And again, that size is a good size for indoor flying.
And speaking of Christmas, you if you plan to buy something for yourself or for someone else from these overseas sites, any overseas sites, you want to do it before Black Friday, so you make sure you get it in time. A lot of them have better shipping time this time of year.
Yeah.
But you still just never know, so you want to get it before Black Friday.
I'm not saying it's going to take 3 months to get something, but
could.
Yes, and then as I was saying, this is also capable enough, obviously, of flying outside on a calm day. You don't want to fly this in a ton of wind. The camera quality was there, you know, it worked. It's not anything that you're going to get hired for, but it's a toy, and it's just kind of used as practice to build up to something a bit more expensive, a bit more capable. I like it. Has the dedicated transmitter if you want to fly with that route. Just remember to tell them to poke the eyeball to use the transmitter, which is really weird. Why do you think they did that? And then you can fly with just your phone if you like, and you even have the tilt control. Very cool. Very, very cool. Little on-off switch. I like this drone. I think that it does everything well that it said it could do, and that means I have no complaints. And the price is very fair. Very, very fair. If you like it, we'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for all your support, just helping us hit these huge milestones on our channel, and a huge thanks to all of our patrons that really keep our channel going. If you'd like to learn more about that, that'll be linked right below, the little link to the drone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!